Okay, let's go.
Well, good morning, as my roosters are saying. Good morning. So I've been really busy trying to get all the giveaways packaged up. I was busy yesterday with Marissa's, oh, I missed it. Amy, Leonard Mountain Homestead. Almost forgot that, y'all. Almost forgot that. What? What? Who forgets their entry? Yeah. So, I was busy yesterday. Marissa had an appointment. And, I had the Homestead hangout. Then the new baby came home for Ryder and Courtney at Slim Chance Outdoors. And so went to visit down there. So I missed some of the Homestead hangout. But I went at the very end and got in with Dale and Nana and played a few, in the comments and all. And I'm telling you, y'all, this community is amazing. This community is amazing. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Love you guys. So the conversation happens with Big Red. And then I'm going to go over here. And this is what happens. Listen. Oh, isn't that funny? We're going to go visit some turkeys. I promise, they're really loud. They talk to Big Red. So hold on. I'm going to come over here and... Troy is that one. And we still need a name for those two. I'm waiting for all the members to let me know some names. I haven't picked them. I didn't put a survey out there to let them choose from names. But I'm waiting on names. Waiting on names. Yeah, we have way too many roosters, so we're going to process some of these roosters. We are keeping some of them. Look how pretty that one is. Right there. And of course, there's Smokey right there. We're keeping that one right there. There's Jennifer Henniston right there. Hi, Jennifer. Jan. Right there. Now they're going to come look at me. They're like, what are you doing? They're all talking to Janko over here. They're like, what are you doing, dog? That one's pretty too. That one's pretty. Jennifer. Jan is over there. Hi, Jan. Right there. So, there you go. Let's go back over here and see the piggies. Big Red has gone inside the house. Hold on, I'll bring y'all back. Hold on. Look at that face right there. Diesel. What are you doing, big boy? What are you doing, big boy? Oh, he's so cute. Oh, okay, let's go see George and Georgia. Sorry. There we go. They're eating their breakfast. Hi. Oh, I just love them. I love their tails. They're eating. Diesel. He's face into the mill. That's what he is. Face down into the mill. He comes up and he's got all that food on his nose. Look at him. Listen to those smacks. Janko, your friend's looking for you. Look. Now we're going to go see Leah and Chocolate Chip. Flap those wings, Big Red. For some reason, he likes chasing Hey Hey around. Hey Hey is that one right there. Hold on. I hear him. Hey. Chocolate chip cookie. Here comes Leah. Look at that tail go. Look. Look at the tail moving. What? What? Oh. Go eat breakfast. Go eat breakfast. Oh. Oh. Your face is full of feed. Look at your ears. You better go eat breakfast. They're going to eat it all, and then you're going to lose weight. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. So. There we go. So, all the animals have been fed and watered, and they're doing their things. Bring you in to show that Diesel's doing great. All the piggies are doing great. And as you can see, I told you, Big Red loves to chase hay. Yeah. So, you hear the other teenage chickens. So on my first batch of hatchings for the eggs in the incubator, I got 6. 3 of them didn't do anything, which is fine, because I only put, bye Christopher! Christopher's going to school. His Meemaw's taking him. But, I put 9, and I got 6. So that's pretty good for my first hatch. So I'm very happy about that. And as most of you know, once you start, you can't stop. So the second batch of eggs are inside the incubator. So yeah, there you go. I'll probably wait after the second batch because we are going to be going to out of town, and so I don't want to have eggs in the incubator for Christopher to have to watch when we're out of town, and whoever helps with the animals. Hold on, see what they do. I'm gonna go in here. Get back. So, where we're going. We are going to Pinecone Fest in October. Pinecone Fest is at Walleye State Park in Mount Vernon, Texas, October 11th through the 13th. Some of us are going to be there on Thursday, and the pavilion is open on Thursday for all of us that are going to Pinecone Fest that Thursday, to just chit-chat and hang out and, have a fun time. So yeah. Christopher already helps me. I want to thank my son, Christopher. Christopher helps me with, the morning chores, getting them fed, getting them watered, and making sure everything is okay with these chickens right here. Yeah, he's a big help. And then in the afternoon, like when it's really dark, Chris and Christopher put the chickens up and the turkeys. So they're a big help. Now we're going to discuss the Oklahoma Homestead Rendezvous. That is before October. That is September 27th and 28th. in McAlester, Oklahoma. And it is going to be at the Southeast Expo Center. Again, that's September 27th and 28th. Big Red said to be there. September 27th, 28th, McAlester, Oklahoma, at the Southeast Expo Center. So, I know Jack Dyer from Dyer Family Farm is going to be there, and so is Dina. He's letting you know. He's letting you know. If y'all do not know, the OC, which is the other Chris, from Hippie Cow Yay Homestead, go check her out. She's the one putting on the Homestead Rendezvous. She is awesome. I've had her on panel. We did a live with me and Jack. We had her on, and we're talking about the Oklahoma Homestead Rendezvous. So go check that out. A few more channels I want to shout out, and I can't shout everybody out. That would be a 24-hour video. But I'm going to shout some channels out that have been with us from the very get-go, and have been very helpful, and have stuck it out with Leonard Mountain Homestead, and that is Salty Dog Homestead. Daniel, love you, man. I really do. You're awesome. You're doing great. I love your channel. So go check out Salty Dog Homestead. Another channel, Paragon Ridge Ranch. Everybody knows Chrissy and Jeremy. Anytime I have a question, Chrissy helps me out. You know, they've been awesome. So Paragon Ridge Ranch, Chrissy and Jeremy, I love you guys. I really do. 9 Acre Family Farm, Dale and Nana. I know you haven't been here from the very get-go, but anytime I have a question, I'm having a rough time, you're there. You give me some advice, and I love it. Y'all were there to hear me cry on the phone when my daddy passed away. I mean, y'all prayed for me. I love you guys. I really do. I really love you guys. I appreciate you being in our lives. Another channel that I absolutely I love Jeff, and everybody knows Jeff. Marissa Plus One gave Jeff that name. Rule 2IC. Jeff, thank you so much for being here and shouting us out, and just being awesome, okay? We wouldn't be here without all of y'all. And Jeff, any opportunity, you've supported all of my family members. I mean, you almost get everything first from my family that has done their channels. You're a big supporter of Slim Chance Outdoors as well, and that's awesome, Jeff. Love you, man. I love you and Miss Rural for everything that y'all do. You're doing a great job. I love it. So, y'all, go check out those channels that I just shouted out. There's so many. And even on this journey, Simply Jan Homestead, the GilliamFarms, Miss Christine GilliamFarms, Ginger and Joey, they brought pigs for us all the way from Georgia, and I mean, the homestead is coming together. Tony and Angie from Our Cabin in the Woods, they gave us diesel. So a lot of this community is part of Leonard Mountain Homestead, and we love it. We love this community. Y'all keep being nice to each other. Stay wonderful. and do all the YouTube stuff. You know, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, okay? Because I read all the comments and I'm responding to every single one. Every single one. It may take a few hours before I respond to all of them because I am busy, but I get to all of them. So, y'all, go check out all those channels, even to the new ones. Our Louisiana Life, and with Trey and Jessica, and then Celebrating Farm Life with Mickey and Bill. Go check those channels out too. They're awesome. They're awesome. So yeah, the Prince Journey. Go check them out. We met them at BAMFest. Resourceful Living Homestead. Go check them out. Those are all new channels, y'all. Go check them out. Let them know Leonard Mountain Homestead sent y'all. Give them some love. A lot of those are trying to hit their 1,000. We all know how that feels. I just hit it just a little bit ago. And, man, I'm loving this journey. Love you guys. See you on the next one.